I'm overwhelmed by the amount I still have in this product. So I have been dreading coming into this garage all summer long. This is the longest I've ever gone since trying to unload this Tupperware. I am in Minnesota, which is snow is coming. We could get snow as soon as in a month, basically. And I need to get this sale done because we are planning on using money from the sale to go on our Disney trip. And we also had our dog Cammie is in need of getting a surgery. She is set to have it on September 25th. She's going to have bladder stones removed. So I have to do the sale. I have to. Believe it or not, I did park in this garage all winter long, and then come spring we moved the cars out and this happened. So I'm very happy that it parked in here all winter long. I plan on parking in here all winter long again, but I have to get this sale done. So this morning is my first day out here because my son is at school for the day. I have 3 days that I can work on it this week, and we are going to see what we can get done. Now, I have been waking up in the middle of the night because I'm so stressed out about this project. I'm so stressed out about it. But I just keep telling myself, just do it. Just get it done. Just get it done. So we are starting today. We're going to get it done. Step number 1 is just to get this space cleared out and set up the tables and get back there. I vowed I would not go back there all winter long, and I didn't. I did have a neighbor that really wanted something, so earlier this summer, not earlier this summer, but like middle of summer, end of summer, a little while ago, I did crawl back there. I went through, like, I think I counted, it was 16 boxes before I found the item that she had wanted, and it ended up not being the right size item that she wanted. So I'm going to go back to the vow of, until I do a sale, I am not digging through any boxes again, because it's just stressful. And it's, as much as I want to help everybody that wants something out, I'm done with this stuff. I'm so over this. So enough talking. I got to get to work. I said I would do 2 hours. That's the only way that I vowed to even get myself out here this morning. I said 2 hours, and then we'll see how I feel. I know I mentally know I need to do more than 2 hours. If I can spend the whole day in this space, I could get so much done, and maybe that stress load would lessen. Fingers crossed. I have more motivation at the end of 2 hours. So I'm going to set a timer. We're not doing a 15-minute thing because that 15 minutes will do nothing in here. But 2 hours. Let's see what I can get done in 2 hours. Let's go. Once I started to have some space cleared, I realized I wanted to clean as I went in regards to sand and dust and salt from the winter of being in the garage floor, and also because of spiders. So I do like to have the shop vac ready. Now you might be asking, Allie, why didn't you just use a broom? Well, you can see a broom head laying by my feet right there, but I didn't know where the actual handle was to that broom, so it became obsolete to me. So the shop vac is what I used instead of actually searching for a complete broom, which my husband did find quite easily when he was out there. So the only thing I can correlate that to is like when I ask my husband to grab the ketchup from the fridge and he stands there looking in the fridge blankly at the ketchup right in front of him, but can't find it. I'm assuming this was a very similar experience in that I was looking all over the garage and just could not find it. So right now I'm just de-spidering and de-cobwebbing these boxes. And these boxes are actually all Tupperware logoed items, meaning it's all product that I won or earned in my experience with Tupperware. And I'm just trying to sell it to basically Tupperware people. That's been the online sales I've mentioned in some of my videos. And that has gone really well, but it's still taking up way too much space. So I had to get that into a space that while I was doing this sale, I could also work on selling logoed items online. Because again, it's a pretty small market of people that want those items. Okay, I've done 1 hour or just over 1 hour, like an hour and 15 minutes. And I went and had a little lunch break and I am back. I'm going to do at least 2 hours. I did set an alarm on my phone for 1:15 so that I do have to go run a few errands that are going to be just easier to do by myself. So I set an alarm for 1:15 to go and get those done, or at least to see where I'm at, to reassess my time, just see, do I do another hour? Now I am stumbling across a lot of stuff that's more like garage sale things. Now I've told you guys, I said I would never do a garage sale again, but I have so much stuff that I am thinking, do I just put garage sale stuff out each day, like in the driveway, and have like garage sale, Tupperware sale? And I've always said not to do them together, but I don't sell Tupperware anymore, so I don't really care anymore. So I think I might try that and then just keep that stuff kind of separate, maybe in boxes that I can push out the days I do this sale. The sale is not going to be like several days in a row. It's going to be days that I pick and choose. So we'll see how that goes. But I am thinking if I work really hard today and Wednesday, maybe I could hold the first sale on Friday. But I have to see where I get today to make that call so I can do a little advertising for it. So hopefully going to have at least the tables set up so I can start actually pulling out product. So far it has just been getting the garage set up. We're going to resume that. I'm going to put on some music. I was listening to Atomic Habits, but now I feel like a little like Taylor Swift action is needed. So let's do this. If I can do anything, it is have a good giggle at some of the things I catch myself doing when working on these projects and kind of forgetting that the camera is there. So that was me rocking out to some Taylor Swift. And Putting on some good music really did help make this project go a little bit quicker. And I will tell you, I am a huge Taylor Swift fan. I think she's very talented and I love her music. So finding something that was helpful to listen to was wonderful. I wanted to show you the inside of some of these bins. This is how full these bins are. And I had mentioned I went through 16 just looking for one item. And that wasn't even the complete amount of bins I have. So there is just still too much Tupperware in this garage for my liking. Yeah, I have no choice but to laugh at the predicament I have put myself in. Remember, I have not been selling this for 3 years, so there's been 3 large sales where I have gotten rid of lots of product, and I still have this much. So at least now I can laugh about it and cry much less. It is day 2 of me working in the garage, and day 1, I did something that is either going to make me or break me. And that is I posted an event about my sale starting Friday. So today is Wednesday. Today is another full day of me getting this set up. So it is actually the last day I have to set up, because in the past, this has taken me weeks to set up. And I decided I don't have weeks. And if I don't just tell people that this thing is open, it's never going to get set up. So Friday afternoon, near the end of me working out in the garage, I posted an event. I invited people that came to my past event, and voila, I've already had people say, I'll see you right when it opens. So I got to get to work. I've kind of drank my coffee this morning. I just kind of wrote down what I needed to still do this week, because I have, in addition to this, I do still have to work, and I pile everything into one small amount of time. I'm notorious for doing that. Regardless, we're getting this set up today. It is going to be sale ready. Now, the nice thing about this sale is as people shop, I can continue to place things out. So as long as I have my table set up and I have the product out and I have it displayed nice and I have the most of it price marked, I'm good to go for Friday. The current state that it is in, it's not ready for Friday, but it is 10 a.m. I have until 4 a.m. I have until 4 p.m., which is 6 hours. 6 hours to pull this together. Now, I do have a few calls I need to make during the day for work, and I do have a few things that I want to do in the house, but priority is this. I will sleep good tonight knowing this is set and done. So I'm going to put on some music. I am going to work, and we're going to see what I get done today. So let me show you around. Now, I was very lucky. My husband got home on Monday night and he cleared out and reorganized like our bike section, and he made extra space for me. He sweeped everything out. So let me show you around what got done, where I left things Monday. Today's Wednesday, and we're gonna fly through this. This thing is gonna be set up by 4 o'clock this afternoon. Let me show you around. All right, so you're kind of in the middle of the sale here. That is the storage back there. I have a mishmash table. Basically, I'm just trying to get things out. I have to figure out where I'm gonna put this clothing rack, because it is supposed to rain on Friday, the day I open. So those tables don't have tablecloths on, so I have to figure out what I'm doing with all that stuff. And then we have all this stuff over here. So this is all logoed stuff. Look how much I still have. I've sold so much online, and I still have so much. So I need to just kind of tuck this stuff away so I can be taking pictures and posting it online, kind of a double whammy during the sale.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch.
I still have many, many boxes to go through, but I have a good variety out. So now I'm just going to kind of work on getting things price marked. I'm going to work for about another hour and then go take a shower. I'm going to tuck everything back in, but I thought I'd show you what I got out. When I sold Tupperware, I would have never let my tables look sloppy like this. But I no longer sell Tupperware and I just want to get stuff moved. So my goal for right now is to get everything out on the tables. And then as people start shopping on Friday, in between people shopping, I always have time to reorganize and make things look a little bit more merchandised, a little bit prettier, pull more stuff out. But for right now, this is, I've got stuff out. I feel like I have a good variety out. I am overwhelmed by the amount I still have in this product. So to say I was overwhelmed was a bit of an understatement. This is all the product I managed to get out onto the tables for the sale. I felt like I had a great variety to get the sale started. Even though I would have liked to have had more out, I feel like I did what I could for this particular sale.
Sky, oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could.
So I'll show you what I got to back here. So all of that back wall I got to, and then these were piled up here. I got through most all of these bins, and this is where I've kind of ended. So I have not hit this whole shelving unit. I can't get to most of it. I have not hit these bins or those boxes or these bins here. So I still have a lot that can go out, but I'm just kind of stuck with what I have for space. So day 2 is done, basically. I'm gonna go price some stuff, and day 3 will be the start of the sale. Keep your fingers crossed I sell tons of this stuff. Unload it. Wish me luck. So stay tuned for the end results of what the sale brought in for me and how much I was able to sell. Do you think I'll have my garage back for winter? Tell me in the comments below. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch with me. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will be seeing you soon.